Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I just wanted to go over the Smartish iPhone wallet case review. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are interested in getting one of these Smartish cases. Now, the reason why I'm making this video was because I was actually going through my drawers and I realized that I actually had multiple of them from different iPhone variations. So I'm an absolute fan of Smartish iPhone wallet cases. As you can see, it really does only hold like about 4 cards. There's no room for cash, but I'm a person who doesn't really carry cash. So I mostly just carry cards, and so it fits about 4 cards. I mean, you can squeeze a 5th card, but you can tell that it's kind of tight. But I'd say with this case though, I've dropped my phone. I mean, right now I'm filming with my phone, so you can't really see it fitted within here. But I've dropped my phone maybe like more than a dozen times, and the case has done a perfectly fine job at protecting my phone. In addition to that, aside from there being dust within the case that just needs to be cleaned out, there's no signs of like wear and tear. I mean, you might see a little like scuff marks right over there, but this is me having used this case now for well over 3 years. And I must say, for an iPhone case, I used to cycle between iPhone cases just because maybe I wanted a different look, or maybe my iPhone case broke. But really, the realization that this Smartish iPhone case has lasted me well over 3 years, like everything is still really well intact. Okay, the one that you see over here is an older model. But really, with the Smartish phone cases, if you want a slim wallet, and if you don't want to have to carry your wallet separately, but you want a slim wallet that is attached to your phone, this really does the trick. Okay, like I mentioned, it holds 4 cards. It really does protect your iPhone, and I'm just so surprised that 3 years later there's like no damage marks to it. Like, you can see the edges are completely clean even after having dropped them on these edges. Like, literally all 4 corners of this iPhone case are completely clean, meaning that there's no cracks, there's no rips, there's no tears. So with that being said, that is my Smartish iPhone wallet case review. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll leave a link to this down below in the description.